Hello everyone, I am Ankit Yadav. Welcome to my channel Innovative Guru. So today I am going to teach you a mathematics topic, that is trigonometry table. Most of the students, they got confused how to create a table of trigonometry, and they ask that they forget the method, they forget the symbol, what the symbol should I put for sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. So they forgot. So I am going to teach you a very easy tips, and you can say it is a tricks by which you can understand this topic very easily. So let's look at the board. So as you can say, this is a table, and I'll tell you how to create a table. You don't need to learn any formula related to that. You just need to focus on my words. You will understand how to create a table. So let's focus on the first one, sine theta. So what you have to do, first write down the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 5 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write down number from 0 to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what you have to do, what is the digit of last number? It's 4. So you have to divide by 4 to each and every number. After that, what you have to do, put down the root. Now solve the equation. You will solve this 0. So 0 means 0. It is obviously 0. And if you solve this, so it's what is the root 1? 1. And what is the root for 4? It is 2. So the answer is 1 by 2. And now focus on the next one. If you will cut this, so it is 1 by 2, and the root of 1 is 1. So and root 2 is root 2. You cannot solve this. And now the next one, we cannot solve root 3, but we can solve what is the root 4? It is equal to 2. And now 4 will divide it by 4. So 4 will divide it by 4. So it is 1, and 1 root is equal to 1. I hope you got the answer. Now your first table is here, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, and the last one is 1. Now how to create a cos theta? So as you know the formula of cos theta. So what is the formula of cos theta? Cos theta is equal to sine 90 minus theta. Now put the value of theta, you will understand each and everything. And you know very well the thetas of sine. So you can sort out this equation very easily. So what is sine 0? So sine 0 is equal to 90. If theta is 0, so put the 0 here, because you are going to solve the equation of cos 0. If you want to solve the equation of cos 0, so what is, and now you will solve 90 minus 0, it is sine 90. So cos 0 is equal to sine 90. So I hope you got the value of cos 0. Cos 0 is equal to 1. Now the same way you have to put the thetas here. So now put at the next theta, what would be 30. So you want to find the cos theta. So how will you find? Cos theta is equal to sine 90 minus theta. Again solve the equation. So it is sine 60. So what is the value of sine 60? It's root 3 upon 2. And now focus on the next one. You want to sort out the value of cos 45. So how will you sort out? The formula is sine 90 minus theta. The theta is here 45. So you will solve the equation. So the answer is 45. So cos 45 is equal to sin 45. So the answer is same. And now the next word, as it is, you have to solve the equation and you will get the values of each and every word very easily. Focus on the next word, tan theta. Now, and I think you know the formula of tan theta is sin upon cos. So put the value of sin theta and cos theta, you will get to know the value of tan theta. So you want to find the value of tan 0. So divide sin 0 to cos 0. You will divide first one, so the answer is 0. If you divide this from this, you will get the, it's very easy. Now divide it. How will you divide? There are 4 numbers, sir. It's very difficult. We cannot solve this kind of equation. So there is a method how to solve this kind of equation. This is the way we can solve out. Make the arrow like this. First digit should be divided by, multiplied by 4th digit, and the second digit would be multiplied by 3rd digit. So 1 multiply 2, 2 multiply root 3. Now cut this. What is the answer? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Now you will divide sin 45 to cos 45. So answer would be 1. And now focus on the next one. You have to divide. You want the value of tan 60. So you have to divide sin 60 from cos 60. So divide the value. You will get the answer. Do it fast. You have to cut the values. The answer is root 3. Now divide. How to get the value of tan 90? You have to divide sin 90. Erase it. You have to divide sin 90 from cos 90. So what is the value will come? 1 upon 0. What do you think? It is called infinity. So this is a symbol of infinity. Okay, I hope. So now the focus on the next one, which I am going to tell you. It is cot theta. Oh, it is not cos. Sorry, by mistake. It's sec theta and cosec theta. So how to, and you know the formula of tan theta. It is equal to 1 by cot, and you can write down like this: cot theta is equal to 1 by 10. Means divide the value from tan theta, 1 by tan theta, you will get the value of cot theta. So 1 divided by tan theta, 0. So what would be the answer? It would be infinity. It would be infinity. Divide this number from 1, you will get the answer as I told you. So it is root 3. So once you will solve, it is 1 by 1, you can say that. And when you will solve the table, so root 3 will come upstairs, and the 1 would be divided by 1. So the answer is root 3. And for next, you have to divide cot 45. 1 upon tan 45. So what is the value of tan 45? It's 1. So divide 1 upon 1. So answer is 1. Now again divide root 3 from 1. So it is 1 upon root 3 and infinity. What would be the answer if you divide 1 upon infinity? So the answer should be, so just focus on this symbol. This is a number like x upon 0. That's why it is like that. So once you will solve this, so the equation will occur like this. So answer is 0. Now focus on the next one. What is the formula of sec theta? sec theta is opposite of cos theta, 1 upon cos. Once you will solve the equation from 1, divide by 1, so you will get the value of sec theta. Like, so you will divide sec 0 means 1 upon cos 0. So what is the value of cos 0? It's 1. 1 upon 1, obviously the answer is 1. Whenever you will solve this equation, the answer would be 1. Now you have to divide this from 1, root 3 upon 2, you will opposite this, so the equation would be like this, 2 root 3, and for the next it would be root 2, it would be 2, and it would be infinity, as I told you. Now the last one, focus on the last one, cosec theta. So the cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta. You have to put the values of sine theta, you will got to know the value of cos theta. It's very easy. You are going to find the value of cos 0, so it means sine 0, so it is 1 by 0, it means it is infinity. And for next, cosec 30. So what would be the value of cosec 30? 1 upon sine 30. And what is the value of sine 30? It's 1 by 2. So divide 1 upon 1 by 2, it will come upper side, the value would be 2. Now cosec 45 degree, 1 upon sine 45, and once you will solve this equation, so the answer would be root 2, and it would be 2 root 3, and the next one would be, you will divide by 1, so the answer would be like this. If you think this video is helpful for you, please press a button of like, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for getting upcoming videos. Thank you.